welcome back, love bugs, to my channel. It is another Temu haul, okay? But this is not, last time it was glasses. I was trying to test it out like I was saying before. This time we got some goodies, okay? Let's pop into this. Hopefully I don't lose a press on, child. Press on, press off, okay? Get into it. Now remember last time? They packaged the hell out of these packages. But this time it is some real goodies, okay? So these right here, I'll open them up so you can see. I got these first, when I first got them, I got them off of Wish. Ooh, the glasses is fogging up, child. That's what that is, okay? But anyways, I got these off of Wish the first time, and I couldn't find them anywhere else. But these are supposed to help with getting, like, the stuff out of your pans. And hopefully maybe later on I'll show you, because everything in here is something that I can use. I have a few things for my car, some stuff for my nails, so everything I'm gonna all and show you, but then I'm gonna also show you an example of me using the product. So this one is to get all of that, like, not good, but like the burnt part and stuff out of your pan so they can be shiny and all that. So that's the first thing that I was able to grab out. The second thing, let's see what I can grab out. Jesus. Okay, so the second thing is this. You don't have to charge her up, girl. This is a vacuum cleaner for your car. So let's open it. And it has a little suction so you can get in between. And it has a little brush. It's USB cable, so we have to definitely go ahead and charge it up. And maybe later on this afternoon, I'll go ahead and vacuum in the car because, child, the car is carring, okay? Right now, it's carring. But, oh, okay, it's charged a little bit, honey. You know what? Let's see if I can put some stuff on. Let's see. Let's see what I can do. Okay, it's a little hair right here. Let's see, on the couch from, you know, me, my hair shedding. Okay, it picked it right on up. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, that suction is good, and I can see it here. I'll have to zoom in, or here. Can you see the hair right here? You can see it right there. But we'll still, I'm gonna charge it up, even though it came with a little charge. I'm gonna charge it up. I guess this is the little part, and then where's the other part? Oh, okay, so this part, this brush part goes on this part. The brush like that, so that you can use it, the brush, to brush into like those other smaller parts in your car. And let's see how we open it. Oh, just like that. Just unscrew it and it opens up, and you can take this out. So we'll use that. We'll go downstairs to the car afterward. I want to fully charge it up, like really fully charge it up. So open this back a little bit more. So then this right here is, see, it came a little messed up, but it's okay. Okay, I'll put the prices up here, how much I paid for everything. But it really, everything was like, I think less than $20, I think. This is an air compressor. So this one, it shows you digitally how much air you have in each tire. But then I also think that it actually presses, okay, this one not charged. So this one is also wireless, so that I can go ahead and charge her up at the same time. And you put this on your tire, obviously right here, this part, and then you just press it down so it can hold, and then you hold it. And I'm thinking that's when you hold it like this. Oh, there's a light as well. See, there's a light. Okay. Oh, so that one's working too. That scared the shit out of me, child. So this is how you're able to tell. I don't know how to turn it off, but anyways, I don't know how to turn this light off either. But that's how you put the air in your tire. So if you're in your air, you're out somewhere and your tire's a little low. Not this car, but the older car. Sometimes with my old job that I had, I worked at like the warehouse was in the back, so it was always like nails in my tire. So I would feel like I'm always like feeling air in my tire. So I'm like, this would have been a great tool to have back then, so that I could have just put a little air in the tire in the morning and keep it pushing. I'll figure out later off camera how to turn that light off. But in the meantime, between time, child, okay? This right here is callus remover. Sometimes your feet be feeting, okay? And it be a little rough on the ends, okay? Because, you know, I be walking barefoot and things of that sort. And then just natural, you know, naturally people sometimes just have callus on their feet. So this is everything that comes in it. It has one of those stones. This one has a stone, but it has little gauges on it. And then a little brush. So, since everything else was on a little charged, let's see if she charged too. Oh, she got a little thing on her already. Okay, so she not charged. She might need batteries. No, she don't need batteries. She just needs to be charged. But I thought she was gonna be. Oh, you gotta hold her. You gotta hold her to turn her on. Let's see. Okay, I can feel it. Now, I ain't gonna show you my feet, y'all. My feet is feeding right now. Maybe I'll show you what came from the feet, but maybe not either, because that might be a little too embarrassing. I don't know how, look, we candid, but we ain't that candid, okay? Child, the feet be feeding, okay? Anyways, I'm making a mess out of this, but like I said, it have an extra stone, and it comes, I think it comes in 2 colors. Ooh. Listen, the nail just came off. Okay, the press on, press off. I told you it be pressing off. I gotta glue that motherfucker back on. But anyways, so, did I break it? Did I break her? No, okay. So yeah, this has a little stone on it, if you can see, and it has the little lines. So when you like putting it on your feet, it get in there real good, okay? Cause she need to be real good. Now, I used to get my feet done every 2 weeks. Oh, I guess the light goes off on its own. The child that stopped. So it's up to me and God to get these feet together, okay? It's up to me and God. And then I got this, what is this? It's like a little bracelet with all the stones and stuff. See, a little bracelet. I'll put it on this side since my other bracelet's on that side. It has like the stones and everything. Get you together real quick. Excuse me. And then last but not least is this, which is a little kit. It comes with a drill, which I thought was cute because it was pink. Because I'm that girl. I'm that girly girl. Ooh. So I come with a little drill. Let's see. Ooh, okay. So this is how you turn it up. Okay, the drill ain't drilling right now. Okay. But these little parts right here, which I have a drill, so I'm sure those will probably fit in these little brown parts. It will probably fit in this right here. So I'm not sure, but it's real cute. So cute. But see, this time around I got gadgets, cause I'm like, they've always be having gadgets and stuff around the house. I wanted my own gadgets, you know, but gadgets that I would use and I need, you know. So this is so I can do a gel set. She needs to do a gel set. So you plug her up, 30 seconds. You put you put your hand in there. I think I'm gonna do a press on. See, and here's the little instructions. I think I'm gonna do like a press on nails and do gel on it. Put it in there. You got 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 90 seconds. And it's pink too, because you know I love pink. If they don't have purple, then your girl gonna get pink. But like I said, everything that is in here, I'm going to show you guys how it's being used, minus the callus remover. Cause y'all ain't about to read me in these comments, cause okay, y'all ain't reading me in these comments. No ma'am. I need to throw all this in the trash, but anyways, yeah. So that is what's given. I'm really excited about this vacuum cleaner. Like I don't know who else is like super excited about a vacuum cleaner but me, but I'm hella excited. I'm like, I actually want to just go get some crumbs so that we can go and vacuum it up. But yeah. I'm excited. Can y'all see? Oh, almost sucked up my nails, y'all. Yes, honey, child. Get into it, honey. Get into it. Get into it. all in here. Ooh. Ah! Listen, I don't know who's that excited about a vacuum cleaner, but I definitely am. Okay, a vacuum cleaner and this callus remover and the air. Like, at least I can know how much air is in my tire. Now, I don't know. I think your manual normally tells you how much is supposed to be in each tire. And I think mine is supposed to be, I don't know. Don't give me the lying, child, because you know I be in these streets about to start lying, girl. I ain't about to do that. So I'm gonna go to the manual. I'm gonna put it in there and see how much it is, and I'll film me doing it a little later once they're fully charged. But we'll go downstairs and we'll do the vacuum, and I'll film you guys seeing me, you know, vacuum and see how well it works. Even though y'all seen a little bit right here, but I want to really show you, like, first of all, I'm gonna show you before, and then we're gonna vacuum, and then I'm gonna show you after, and then I'm gonna show you how to on I think my right tire looks like it might be a little low. So we'll test the back one and we'll test the front one and see if they're the same. And if they're not, we're gonna see if this thing works and put air in the tire. So yeah, ain't that cute? Putting air in people's lives. Who am I? Putting air in people's lives, like, girl, a whole ass nut. That's what I am. But I do be putting, you know, a little happiness and joy in people's life, you know, because I just say whatever the fuck I want to say. It's like, I'm not censored, you know what I'm saying? This is not a kids channel. This is very much an adult channel, and I just say and do whatever, you know, as long as it's you know, respectful. But anyways, I'm gonna get off of here, and we're gonna charge these up. I don't know if I'm gonna do the nail part because I have press-ons already, so I don't know if I want to change my nails out. Maybe I will. If so, if not, then maybe I'll do a reel. I mean, not a reel, but a short on how to use the LSD light later. How to do press-ons. Or maybe I'll do a whole video on that, on press-ons and doing my nails. Who knows, child? Leave it to me. Who knows, okay? But anyways, this and the vacuum cleaner will definitely be later on. Examples coming later. See you in a bit. Okay, so this is what it looks like before. We're gonna go ahead and vacuum all of this and see how well it works. No judgment, okay? Period.
What you wanna live, how you wanna spit, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You just do what you wanna.
Okay, and the beat after is pretty good, okay? Pretty good. Look at all the stuff that was in my car. My God. Can y'all see that? Just a mess. Just a hot ass mess. But everything's clean. It's a definite buy. But everything is clean. Ow, you see it? Back tire. I'm gonna do the same thing with the back tire. But I'm gonna show you guys on this one. Now can y'all see? It says 2.6.
But it wasn't like that back when I met her. But it wasn't like that back when I met her.
3. So I'm gonna just go ahead and make sure all my tires are the same. I didn't know that it could put air in your tires. So as y'all saw, look, my hands are dirty and stuff. Whew. But it really works though. I'm like so glad that I purchased it. I'm a little sweaty, excuse me. Excuse me. But yeah, no, I'm so glad I purchased both of those because the vacuum cleaner like really cleaned it up. Y'all seen like before and after. And the tire, so my tire pressure should be at 32.5. I thought it was 30.0. But after looking on the other side, it's supposed to be 32.05. So I made sure all of them were the same. But it definitely puts air in the tire. So it was a great purchase. So, I know y'all can see the fog in my glasses. But, like when I was doing it before, I showed you guys how much it costs and everything. Maybe I'll put the link. I don't know. I don't get no commission or nothing for it, but if y'all, you know, want to invest, making sure that your car is clean and your air has tire has air in it, it's a great purchase. So I'm just saying. But we got to go in. I'm about to wash my hands first, and then we're about to go ahead and wash this pan. I'm gonna find a pan that needs to really be scrubbed so we can clean that. I'm gonna put some gloves on because the press-ons, I don't need no water underneath these press-ons, okay? So I'm gonna put some gloves on and we're gonna wash these dishes and then we can close out the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it though so far, because it's giving housewife, it's giving everything that needs to be gave, okay? Period. Okay. Anyways, I'll see you in a second. Okay, so I wanted to come and show you guys an update on this drill. Listen, you see it. It's giving very much. Myra had to go in on the feed, honey. But when I tell you it's the truth, it's must buy, okay? Must buy. And then the drill. Okay. This drill, I was so excited. It has so much high hopes for it. It comes with a little emery board. This one is also a little emery board. This, I think, pushes the cuticles back. And then this one cuts the cuticles. And this is for when you polish your nails. And then these are all the accessories that goes with the drill. But I'm about to show you, because these don't even fit in this fucking drill. I was so mad. I was like, I don't know. And as you guys can see, I was like changing my nails. I was changing my nails out so that I can go ahead and use the drill. But unfortunately, it did not fit in this little small hole. So I'll show you guys. Okay. So as you guys can see, the drill, right? And this is the little part that goes in the drill. It doesn't even fit the hole. Like, can y'all see? It doesn't even fit. The hole is too small for this to fit, and I was so mad. It doesn't even fit at all. So defective. So like I said, I had very high hopes for this drill. I was so excited to get a new drill, and it doesn't even freaking work. It definitely has to be plugged up, but it does work. So high hopes. So far, this is a go. This is a hell no. This is a go, run, and buy. And then I showed you guys me washing the pan. So that's everything. Hope you guys enjoyed. Go buy, minus this. Hope you guys enjoyed. Good vibes, y'all.